Designers, let's create a number animation in After Effects. Begin by using the text tool to write 0. Navigate to Effects and Presets, search for Slider Control, and apply it to the text. In the text properties, press Alt on your keyboard and click on Source Text. Drag the whip and drop it on the slider. Add a keyframe to the slider. If you drag it to right or left, the numbers will change. For now, set the value to 0. Move few frames forward and change it to 1000. To eliminate decimal points, add value to fixed 0 in the expression. Value to fixed 0. When you play it, you'll have a smooth number animation. Please consider supporting me by liking and commenting on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you.